Okay, number 18, factor. So we look for a GCF, and there isn't one. So now we have to look to see if we can do the AC method. Okay, so we know AC is 6 times 21. 6 times 21 is 126. B is 23. So we got to find factors of 126 that add up to 23. Okay, so here what I suggest if you're having difficulty coming up with the factors, take your calculator, start with 126, divide it by 2, you get 63. Okay, that's not going to help us. Then do 126 divided by 3. That's not going to help us. 126 divided by 4 doesn't work. Divided by 5 doesn't work. 6 works, but that's not going to help us. 126 divided by 8 doesn't work. 126 divided by 9. Okay, so I got 9 and 14. Okay, well, 9 times 14 gives me 126. 9 plus 14 gives me 23. So the really gigantic numbers start with whatever AC is equal to, divided by 1, divided by 2, divided by 3, until you come up with the right combination to figure out what B is, this 23. So I got 9 and 24. So now I'm going to do my box method. Okay, and my first term is 6x squared. My last term is 21y squared. And in these boxes, I'm going to put the 23, or I'm sorry, I'm going to put 9 and 14, which add up to 23. Okay, and we need a 23xy, so I'm going to put an xy next to each of these. Now we're set to factor. So first, if I factor my rows, my first row I can factor out looks like a 2x. The second row I can factor out a 3y. Okay, now I'm ready to look at the columns. The columns, the first column I can factor out a 3x. The second column I can factor out a 7y. So my answer is 2x plus 3y times 3x plus 7y.